G'day, Lou from Elgas here again. Today I'm going to talk about a worrying announcement from the tax office. They're usually scary things, these worrying announcements, and they're usually not good news, and this one certainly isn't either. So the ATO, after all these years of a particular section in the Tax Act called Section 100A, have decided that perhaps that section needs a little bit more compliance, and in fact a lot more from what they're saying. So what it's all about is each year when you have a trust, and let's say you're operating a business out of your trust and there's significant profits in it, and you decide in your tax planning leading up to the 30th of June that you will take advantage of some member in your family that doesn't happen to have any income that year or low income, and you would otherwise have extremely high income. So what you might be tempted to do is do a trust distribution around the family group, including a particular individual who isn't really involved in the business, might be at university or might have retired or something like that, and you think, okay, here's an opportunity to save a bit of tax. So the ATO, and then following on from there, there's an agreement that person you've made that trust distribution to and made them entitled to the income, that they're never actually going to get paid the money. So the ATO have decided to release a press release on this. It's a guidance actually, on what their expectations are around that. And their expectations are that if there's a trust distribution made to a person who doesn't actually end up getting paid it, knows they're not going to get paid it, then they consider that to fall foul of this particular section which has been there for decades. And that what they'll do with that trust distribution, if they find one, is they'll assess the trustee at the top marginal tax rate. So pretty disastrous really. So it is really important to properly manage your trust distributions and make sure that if you make a trust distribution then it's made for the right reasons, and that you properly account for it and properly deal with the distribution. If you'd like to know more, or you've got some friends who are concerned about this, please give us a call at Elgas. Thank you.